This corner wall has already been imported from a DXF file, and all the material and boundary properties have been set. We want to compute its linear thermal transmittance. Make sure that the A button is active. We're going to draw two bridge section elements along the two internal sides of the corner. We're already done. Just run simulation and you'll get the PSI value relative to corner's inner dimensions. You can compute also the PSI value relative to corner's outer dimensions. You just need to activate double length option on section elements and move the new length handles accordingly. Let's modify double length distance parameter. Now, you'll get inner and outer PSI values at the same time.